Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing in with the account associated with the business. This gives you access to the listing tools. Locate your business profile, tap or click Reviews, and find the exact review using its date and author. This is important for precision. Once done, capture screenshots and note any policy violations, because you will need that evidence to report the review effectively and to explain why it breaches Google's content rules. You now flag the review using the three-dot menu and choose the most accurate policy reason. Be specific, because vague flags are ignored. Next, open Google My Business or the support form to submit a formal request and paste your concise report. Include the violation type, exact text, date, and screenshots. Once submitted, note the case ID and expect review. Google often processes reports within days, yet complex disputes may take longer, so track progress and follow up if necessary. If the initial flagging doesn't work, escalate by contacting Google My Business support through chat or phone and attach your documentation. Escalation increases visibility. For defamation or copyrighted material, you may need a legal removal request with appropriate paperwork. Once done, follow their instructions and wait for confirmation. Make sure to keep meticulous records of every message and timestamp. If nothing changes within a reasonable window, use the support channel again. A single, clear troubleshooting tip. Persist and consolidate evidence for each follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.